Na 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 na. God bless the people, yo man. Yeah. Me rise before the sun, silence in the air. Wrap me dread, wash me face, chant a little prayer. Ganja leaf in a hand, heart in a calm. Me step in a nature, far from harm. Birds a sing, breeze a blow. Me sit on rock where cool rivers flow. Me burn one, give thanks to Jah. For life, for breath, for every star.
Secret fire,
blaze it high. Chant down illusion, reach the sky. Sacred fire, burn them light. Truth arise and Babylon cry. Sacred fire, cleanse the soul. In a Zion flame we feel all. Me listen deep to me heartbeat drum. Ancient call from where me roots come from. Me not chase gold, me not chase fame. Me chase wisdom, real Rasta aim. Meditation, deep like sea. Mystic rhythm running through me tree. Smoke curl like spiral sign. Me vision bright, me soul aligned. Oh Jah, guide me step from concrete stress to mountain depth. Me inhale breath, exhale fear. Me feel your presence, Jah Jah name. Fire, blaze it high.
Rasta light never die.
Sacred fire,
Still my mind, inner peace is what I find.
sacred fire, show the way.
One love, one heart every day.
She sit beside eyes so close. Hands on heart, her spirit glows. Together we chant, together we feel. That real love, that Rasta seal. Children gather, elders we beat the drum till Babylon done. Sacred flame in every song. We burn illusion, we stay strong. This fire no burn skin, it burns sin, ego and lie within. It show you who you are, from earth to star, from near to far. Sacred fire, carry we home. In a Zion, we freely roam. Smoke rise, mind clear. One love, one life, Jah always near. ground. Connection deep and true. I and I a child of earth, me heart beat like bamboo. No rushing at this life, me take it slow. Nature teach the rhythm, every leaf a glow. The sun arise like fireball burning out Babylon dream. Me whole a reasoning with trees, me not chase no bling bling bling. Blaze up the herbs, elevate me soul. Zion highway, that's the only goal. Roots man walk with no disguise. In a this life we seek the eyes. Blaze up the herbs, elevate the truth. Zion highway, that's the only goal. Roots man walk with no disguise. In a this life we seek the eyes. Me take a draw, inhale the truth. Healing of the nation, wisdom of youth. From hills of Jamaica to mountain Ethiopia. One love vibration, me chant it with utopia. Me no need no system to define who I be. Me roots dig deep in ancient prophecy. Meditation in a silence, me higher self a guide. Me float in a frequency no evil can reside. Under moonlight me chant psalms. Me whole light all food in me palms. Me reason with the ancients in dreamtime gates. Them show me the path me destiny now waits. Lion roar in a jungle, remind me who me be. A warrior of peace, me hold the reggae key. No gun, no war, just rhythm and faith. Me build up Zion in a humble state. Blaze up the herbs, elevate me soul. Zion highway, that's the only goal. Roots man walk with no disguise. In a this life we seek the eyes. Blaze up the herbs, elevate me soul. Zion highway, that's the only goal. Roots man walk with no disguise. In a this life we seek the eyes. Me ride the rhythm like a bird palm breeze. Me chant liberation through ancient trees. Each breath a prayer, each word a flame. Me born illusion, me not play Babylon game. Me see children smile in the villages far. No money but them richer than fancy car. Me share me ganja like love, me pass it round. No judgment here, we chant on sacred ground. Yeah, 420 vibes every day. Me not stray, me not sway. Just good food, good herb, good sound. One Rasta love, it always come round. So me say to the youth, stay true, stay high. Me not talk drugs, me talk mind's eye. Lift up your spirit, let go the stress. We born for greatness, not for less. Me end this chant with peace in a heart. Rasta mission appear sacred art. Zion echoes, we forward again. In our roots and rhythm, love always reign. Bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom. Fire pushing on me low. Whoa. Whoa. Early in the morning, sun touch my dread. Me light up the herb, clear thoughts from me head. Nature surround me, my spirit feel clean. No noise from the system, just bird and green. Barefoot on earth, connection divine. Me heartbeat sync with jazz design. No gold, no chain, no modern deceit. Just roots and drum and the Naya bingy beat. Me close me eyes, me soul take flight. Through the smoke, my vision get bright. Lion on my chest, still calm like sea. Meditation guide I to Jah eternally. Me no need no clock shine from within. Rasta spirit free, never caged in sin. We burn the fire, fi clean we way. One love vibration, night and day. Lift up the chalice to Zion heights. Chant down fear, chant upright. Inna the smoke, me find me peace. Rasta meditation, soul release. Babylon build wall, but me plant vine. Me grow me garden sacred and fine. Banana tree, sweet mango ripe. Me play one rhythm and me hold that pipe. Sound system echo across the hill. Sheep and goat feel the roots man will. We not chase vanity, we chase vibes. Positive frequency, higher tides. Stars start to eye in ancient tongue like Solomon wise. From I was young, me carry the staff. Me know me road, me heart full of love. Me no carry load, me no chant against them. Me chant fi I, fi the youth them. Wake up, look to sky. Inhale deep, exhale pain. Rasta no sunshine, follow rain. Mystic light, I shine from within. Rasta spirit free, never caged in sin. We burn the fire, fi clean we way. One love vibration, night and day. Lift up the chalice to Zion heights. Chant down fear, chant upright. Inna the smoke, me find me peace. Rasta meditation, soul release. Jam music heal like river stream. In the heartbeat rhythm, me find me dream. So me play the drum, me sing the song. Me know me roots, me know where me belong. From hills of Jamaica to Europe gate. Zion echo spread love, not preach hate. So come make we reason under moonlight. All a joy, all a vibe, all it tight. She a melody.
Na 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 na, Rasta brother, roll this spliff, yeah man. Me sight her on the hillside with the sun in her eye. She rolling a spliff like a breeze passing by. She say, Rasta man, you feel this light? Me say yes, Empress, Jah bless this night. We sit under tree, chant a little song. Drum beat in the distance, love feels strong. No city light, just stars above. Me hold her hand, that's roots man love. We smoke, we chant, we float on air. No worry, no fear, we free from care. In harmony we rise, in herbs we trust. Rasta love strong, no fade, no rust. Me give her ital, me cook with soul. Coconut, callaloo, pepper, hot bowl. She dance barefoot on ancient stone. She feel like Zion, she feel like home. Me tell her stories from Jalan. She listen deep, she overstand. We build a fire, we build a vibe. No plastic, love this real, this tribe. Chant down the noise, build up the peace. Me Empress and I, we never cease. We meditate, elevate, rise so high. Smoke curl like prayer to Jah in sky. She braid me locks while me strum guitar. Me sing to her soul, me call her me star. She light up again, me inhale the bliss. Reggae in her background, she give me kiss. No matrix, no app, no ring. Just nature's rhythm and bird them sing. We no rush love, we let it flow like the ganja breeze, slow and low. Sometime we travel, sometime we stay, but every step bless along the way. She teach me balance, I give her flame. Together we rise in Jah name. We smoke, we chant, we float on air. No worry, no fear, we free from care. In harmony we rise, in herbs we trust. Rasta love strong, no fade, no rust. We smoke, we chant, we float on air. No worry, no fear, we free from care. In harmony we rise, in herbs we trust. Rasta love strong, no fade, no rust. Zion echoes carry our voice. Me and me queen, we make the choice. Love in our roots, life in a tree. Rasta forever, wild and free part.
Zion, ya man, give me the split.
Me wake up, yeah, them open wide, but miss illusion on every side. Them dress up like in suit and tie. Smile on TV, but me spirit cry. Them tell we freedom, but it come with leash. Them teach we peace while them rob we peace. Them promise heaven after death, while them poison earth with every breath. Me say, system a ghost, walk through wall. Invisible chain still make we crawl. But me soul is fire, roots is stone. No ghost can claim me throne. Them set the rules from cradle to grave, but Jah make kings who not be slave. From chalkboard lies to digital trap, them feed with fiction and call it fact. Me say, tear down the veil from your face. Truth not hide, it blaze every place. Every youth is warrior in wait. Unlock the gates, reject the bait. No app can map the mind of man. No drone can scan what Jah plan. Me chanting rhythm, me chanting code. Decode Babylon in overload. System is a ghost, them can't hold we. Spirit too wild, too free, too holy. We dance in chains till chain them crack. We chant in pain till truth fight back. System is a ghost, me walk right through. Them walls fall down when Jah come true. Me carry the light like torching star. Me born for rebel, me not conform. Me look pan sky, me look pan sea. All creation chant liberty. Bird can be caged, lion not tame. So why mankind live in shame? Them make we chase paper dream. Forget more likes on digital screen. But me say soul na swipe or scroll. Me chant fi elevate the whole. Them use screen fi hide we pain. Me use verse fi break the chain. see scandal in dark room. My word is seed that can't stop bloom. Roots deeper than what I can see. Me DNA link tree to see. No barcode label panja man. Me na scan, me overstand. System is a ghost, fade and flee. Me chant with sound of prophecy. From slum to hills, we raise the flame. Jah call me real, no need no name. System is a ghost, but we alive. Real ones resist, real ones survive. So chant with me, make Babylon shake. Spirit rise up, soul awake.
Let's go. Tough times, me rise through the pain. Me light the hurt, me free the strain. Through the hardships, me find my way. Tough times, me rise every day. Me born in the struggle, me born in the fight. Me face the darkness, me seek the light. The road me walk, me face the heat. But me rise every day, me no accept defeat. Me light the herb, me find the peace. Me let the troubles, me let them cease. Through the trials, me face the storm. Me rise above, me feel the warmth. Me trust in Jah, me trust in the flow. Me light the herb, me let the love grow. Through the struggle, me find the grace. Tough times, me rise in the race. Tough times, me rise through the pain. Me light the herb, me free the strain. Through the hardships, me find my way. Tough times, me rise every day. Me face the pressures, me face the trials. But me keep moving, me keep the smiles. Me rise through the storm, me rise through the heat. Me light the herb, me walk the street. Me trust in Jah, me trust in the plan. Me rise every day, me be the man. Through the struggles, me find the power. Me rise every day, me rise every hour. Tough times, me rise through the pain. Me light the herb, me free the strain. Through the hardships, me find my way. Tough times, me rise every day. Me rise above the struggle, me rise from the test. Me light the herb, me do my best. Through the tough times, me trust in Jah. Rise every day, me reach the stars. Seven roots, yeah, man. Let's go. Me trust in Jah, me trust in the plan. Me rise every day, me be the man. Through the struggles, me find the power. Me rise every day, me rise every hour. Sign roots, yeah, man. Sing the air, every day. Sing the air, sing the air. Me trust in Jah, me trust in the plan. Me right.
Ayayay, Rasta man smoke kaya. Me walk panache where kingdom fall. The mighty wall now does me hear Jack call. The lion not sleep, him just silent feel long. Now him rise up with fire in a song. Me see throne of gold, melting sun, and truth rise up where them blood did run. Me nah fear the shadow of Rome. Me build temple in the roots, me call it home. Them try bury we with concrete lie, but like seed we grow and multiply. Me chant from cave, me chant from field, with reading sharp like Rebel shield. From the ashes of empire we rise, like phoenix chanting under blood-red skies. Zion not sleep, our heart beat strong. We come with thunder, we come with song. From Babylon fire, truth still glow. Me people rise where the cold wind blow. No chain can hold what Jah design. In every verse we redefine. Them kings wear crown, but them spirit hollow. Them follow ego, we follow the swallow. Bird know disease and the rhythm of change, while man build prison in mental range. Me say free up your mind, let it fly. Me not trust no flag or suit and tie. Me wear rags but me voice rich in gold. Me soul ancient, me song never old. System take culture and turn it trend. Sell we back what we create fi defend. But we not fool by marketing game. We fire still burn with ancestral flame. We sit in circle, beat the drum. Some man spirits where silence come. We not afraid of ruin or fall. Ashes is soil where great trees tall. Me vision deep like cave in earth, where prophecy dream a second birth. We now want revenge, we want return to sacred code. Babylon try burn. Me say chant low when the cops pass by, but we chant loud in the heart and sky. Rebellion sweet when it come with grace. We not fight with hate, we elevate this space. Me reason with monk and man in street. Wisdom now live in degree receipt. Me rather a bowl of idle stew than banquet served by like crew. Them broadcast panic fi keep you small, but me hear freedom in waterfall. Nature whisper, child reclaim. Your spirit now born fi wear no chain. From the ashes of empire we rise. Me sight stars beyond city light lies. Zion now vanish, our code encrypted. Her voice still strong though long restricted. From ruin and rubble we build again. Not with brick but with paper and pen. Me lyrics like tool, me rhythm like knife. Cut through illusion, give truth life. So me say blaze it up, light it slow, let the herbs remind you what you know. Jah not sleep, him just step aside till the right time fit truth to ride. From ruin, from dirt, from Babylon smoke, we build anew, we teach word spoke. Ashes can't stop what roots ignite. Zion echoes carry the fight.
Them sit pan throne but throne a dust. Gold mask cover face full of lust. Them drink with sweat, them feed pan pain. But me a rebel in a Zion lane. Me come with rhythm, me come with fire. Me chant for the youth, me lift them higher. Me no want diamonds, me no want chain. Me want the people free from strain. Them sell illusion like holy bread, while innocent youth them end up dead. Them hand in glove with fear and war, but Jah light brighter than any star. Me read the wind, me hear the cry, from Congo hills to Kingston sky. Them try blind me but me still see. Me eyes hold truth, me soul stay free. Thrones of illusion crumble down. Me voice shake walls, me chant wear crown. Me nah bow down to illusion king. Me rise with drums, me rise with swing. Truth arise in every street. Rebel heart still skip Babylon beat. Thrones of illusion soon go fall, and the people rise one and all. Me walk through cities with open eyes. Me see the hunger behind the skies. Them paint the pain in pretty art, while babies cry and families part. Them build them temple with tax. Them burn we hope with evil acts. But me chant loud from every hill. Me words a lie and me voice a will. Me nah no puppet in a them show. Me words like seeds me plant and grow. Me see through system, me see the script. Me break the spell, me sink the ship. Me not just sing, me prophesy. Me speak for the ones who question why. Me chant for truth, me chant for light. Me chant till Babylon lose them fight. Thrones of illusion crumble down. Me voice shake walls, me chant wear crown. Me nah bow down to illusion king. Me rise with drums, me rise with swing. Truth arise in every street. Rebel heart still skip Babylon beat. Thrones of illusion soon go fall, and the people rise one and all. Them push the fear in every scroll, but Jah design still shape me soul. Them set the stage for mental chain, but me a break out, me can't be tamed. Me reason deep with stars and trees. Me spirit dance in Zion breeze. Me write this song for who can't sleep, for who dig deep and climb that steep. Zion roots. In the streets, we hear the cry, the voice of the people reaching the sky. Babylon falling, but we stand tall. We answer the call, one and all. Them try to silence we, but we rise. With fire in our hearts, we see through the lies. Jah Jah guide us, Jah Jah see. In the name of truth, we are free. We no bound by chains, no bound by fear. We stand united, we're crystal clear. The time is now, the revolution's near. We rise as one, we persevere. Echoes of the revolution, hear the sound. We rise above, no longer bound. In Jah's name, we stand tall. Echoes of the revolution, we answer the call. Echoes of the revolution, hearts ignite. Together we stand, together we fight. In Jah's name, we find our way. Echoes of the revolution, lead the day. Me see the struggle, me feel the pain, but through the storm, we break the chain. Them try to hold us down, but we climb. Rise from the ashes, we gon' shine. From the streets to the mountain top, we won't stop, we won't flop. We fight for justice, we fight for love, guided by the stars and the light above. No more lies, no more deceit. We stand for truth, we stand for peace. The power of the people, it will rise. We stand united, we touch the skies. Echoes of the revolution, hear the sound. We rise above, no longer bound. In Jah's name, we stand tall. Echoes of the revolution, we answer the call. Echoes of the revolution, hearts ignite. Together we stand, together we fight. In Jah's name, we find our way. Echoes of the revolution, lead the day. Me hear the drums, me hear the chant. In the struggle, we make this stand. From
fire, me nah get burned. System a trap at every turn. Them feed lies through flashy screen, but truth still live pure and clean. Them sell fear like market wear, while me chant for ones who care. Me nah bow, me spirit free. Me born fi chant eternity. No chain can hold just sound. It break through walls, shake the ground. From city slum to mountain peak, Jah voice a speak, feed the meek. Them take the herb, call it crime, yet profit large every time. But me chant fi justice real. Me nah sleep on Babylon Hill. Them right laws just fi divide, while we rise with roots as guide. Me spirit blaze full of fight. In a darkness we delight. We nah made fi barcode tag. Me chant loud, me nah lag. Jah fire rise in the youth. Rebel soul, speak the truth. No chain can lock the chant. We too strong, we nah recant. Me say truth louder than them sound, and Zion echoes all around. No chain can lock the chant. We too strong, we nah recant. Me say truth louder than them sound, and Zion echoes all around.
Zion roots. In the silence, we hear the cry. The people are suffer, the system alive. We see the chains, we see the cold, but we rise together, brave and bold. We feel the winds, we feel the waves. We breaking free, no longer slaves. In the darkness, the light will shine. We rise as one, we cross the line. We see the strength in every face. We fight for truth, we fight for grace. The struggle is real, the path is long, but me hear the rhythm, me hear this song. Waves of freedom, rise up strong. Together we fight, together we belong. In the name of Jah, we break the chain. We rise as one, we feel no pain. Waves of freedom, feel the breeze. Together we rise, together we seize. In the name of Jah, we find a way. We rise as one, we seize the day. We see the fire, we feel the heat. We rise as one, we won't retreat. The truth are burning, it lights the sky. In Jah's name, we will fly high. We see the children, we see the old. In unity we rise, we break the cold. We
no fear, we no fall. Together we rise, we answer the call. Me hear the voice of the righteous ones. The battle are calling, the fight has begun. We rise together, we move as one. In Jah's light, the victory's won. Waves of freedom, rise up strong. Together we fight, together we belong. In the name of Jah, we break the chain. We rise as one, we feel no pain. Waves of freedom, feel the breeze. Together we rise, together we seize. In the name of Jah, we find the way. We rise as one, we seize the day. Me hear the sound, me feel the beat in every heart. The rhythm sweet, the call I come. The time is now, we rise as one. We make the vow, no more fear, no more lies. We rise above, we touch the skies. In the name of Jah, we break the chain. Together we rise, we feel no pain. Waves of freedom, rise up strong. Together we fight, together we belong. In the name of Jah, we break the chain. We rise as one, we feel no pain. Waves of freedom, feel the breeze. Together we rise, together we see.
Me sit in silence on sacred ground, where no false word, only art sound. No city noise, no digital feed, just earth beneath an ancestral seed. Me nah rush, me nah run, me wait for the rising sun. Me chant and slow like wind through cane, calling the spirit back again. Me say, rise up, oh sleeper deep. You've been numb, been sold, been cheap, but now the drums call back your name. The system rob you but not claim your flame. Return to roots, return to soul, return to fire them tried control. Return to heartbeat, natural time, where truth are rhythm and love are rhyme. Return to roots, hear the call before the Babylon tower fall. Return to yourself, deeper than deep, where Zion echoes never sleep. Me walk barefoot in the early dew, feeling every step like something new. Them say progress mean tower and light, but me say silence bring greater sight. Me sip from calabash of earth, me remember me spirit's worth. Them take we culture, remix the song, but the soul of Jah still stands strong. Me nah bow to image or trend, me nah live for likes that twist and bend. Me live for feeling that nah need screen, for the sound unseen and in between. Listen, you can't buy peace in store, you can't find truth in Babylon law. It come in breath, in chant, in tree, in every river that flow wild and free. Return my brethren, return my sistren, to the voice that now speak in CNN. It whisper in leaves, in fire, in stone, in meditation when you sit alone. The body feel rest, but the soul not sleep. It travel in vision, it travel deep. Them inject fear through needle and post, but Jah love wide like ocean coast. Them build towers, but them can't reach star. Them fly planes, but them not go far. Cause if your spirit bound in chain, you only fly in circle of pain. Me say unlearn them version of life. It's full of struggle, full of strife. Learn again the ancient path, where silent
meditate pan hill at night. Watch the moon shine soft light. Me say, burn herb not fi escape, but fi see the truth in Babylon shape. Cause them disguise lie as progress move, but spirit know what them can prove. Where them call rebel, we call sage. Wisdom live beyond Babylon age. Return to roots, return to flow. The fire inside, let it grow. Return to heartbeat, echo clear. Zion not gone, it's always near. Return to roots and take your time. Tune your soul to ancient chime. In stillness you will hear the truth. Zion live in you from youth. Now follow flash, now follow show. Go where the silent rivers go. Seek the ground, seek the flame, and chant again your holy name. Zion roots. Me hear the whispers of the people cry. Them struggle in silence, them don't know why. Babylon's chains, them heavy to bear, but Jaja's love is always there. They see the youth them falling apart, but in our hearts there's a sacred spark. The system try to break me down, but we rise from the ashes, we claim the crown. Every step me take, every move me make, me feel the power, me feel the quake. The world a change, the world a burn, but we stand together, it's our turn. Rise up, stand strong, never look back. Together we rise, we on the right track. We fight for truth, we fight for light. We rise together, we ignite the night. Rise up, stand strong, don't let them win. We conquer fear, we conquer sin. In unity, we find the way. Rise up, stand strong, today's the day. Me see the struggle, me feel the fight, but me know just truth, me see the light. No more silence, no more pain. We rise together, break the chain. Me see the faces, me see the smiles. We carry the hope, we carry the miles. In every heart, in every soul, we rise in unity, we take control. The road me travel, it's long and wide, but me walk in a truth, me no hide. Me see the future, me see the dawn. Together we rise, we carry on. Rise up, stand strong, never look back. Together we rise, we on the right track. We fight for truth, we fight for light. We rise together, we ignite the night. Rise up, stand strong, don't let them win. We conquer fear, we conquer sin. In unity, we find the way. Rise up, stand strong, today's the day. Me hear the voices, loud and clear. In Jah's name, we have no fear. From the fire, we find the way. In unity, we rise and stay. Me feel the strength in every step, in every word, in every breath. We walk the path of righteousness. Me know we'll rise, me know we'll bless. From the east to the west, we all unite. We rise together, we hold the light. Me see the children, me see the old. Together we rise, we break the mold. Me see the change, me see the truth. We stand in love. Zion roots. Me walk through the streets of stone, where the heart a cry but the mouth alone. Silence heavy like Babylon crown, but me chant rise when the system frown. Me see the beggar, me see the priest, both are search for peace, both want release. Them sell illusion in the name of truth, poison the mind from youth to youth. Me not join no digital chain. Me words still raw like righteous rain. Them distract with flash and fame, but me see the puppet, me know the game. Me burn the lies in every scroll. Me not sign soul to them payroll. Me heart beat roots like Naya Bingy. Me chant through smoke, me soul stay free. Fire inside the silence, light in a me chest. Jah are the teacher and me soul are the test. Them can't lock down what Jah ordain. Me rise from pressure like healing rain. Fire inside the silence, voice in the wind. Truth are the weapon and love are me kin. Me see them play king with no soul inside. Empty eyes and empire pride. Them preach control from plastic throne, but me reason with trees and stone. Them say me lost cause me speak in chant, but me language old, them can't. Me hear Zion echo in leaf and bird. Me voice no soft, it sharp like word. Me can't sit quiet when me people cry. Me voice a flame that light the sky. So me walk barefoot in Babylon town with roots and drum to burn it down. Me no want silver, me no want gold. Me want the youth, them rise up bold. Me want freedom in every line. Me want truth like sacred sign. Fire inside the silence, light in a me chest. Jah are the teacher and me soul are the test. Them can't lock down what Jah ordain. Me rise from pressure like healing rain. Fire inside the silence, voice in the wind. Truth are the weapon and love are me kin. Me sit with stars and reason long. Them whisper lyrics fi rebel song. Me see tomorrow in children's face, so me build rhythm.
Zion Roots.
Out of the darkness, me see the light. Jah's mercy is shining so bright. Babylon crumble, the system's a lie. But we rise as one, we reach the sky. Me hear the whispers of the ones who fallen, but my heart beats loud and my spirit is calling. We won't be chained, we won't be broke. In the fire we rise, me words evoke. We no afraid, no more fear. In Jah's name, me know we near. The world may try to hold we down, but we rise again, we wear the crown. We rise of the free, we rise from the fight. We rise in the name of Jah, the eternal light. We rise, the truth in we veins. Together we stand, break the chains. We rise of the free, through struggle and pain. We rise in Jah's love, no more shame. With fire in the heart and power in the soul, we rise as one, we take control. Me see the fire burning in the youth. Me see the elders speaking the truth. We stand as warriors, strong and proud. No silence, no fear, we speak aloud. Me feel the rhythm in the earth's heartbeat. From the mountains high to the streets beneath. The system can't stop the sound we make. Me see the light, no more time to fake. Me hear the voices, the warriors rise. No more lies, no compromise. We march for justice, we march for peace. We fight for the people till the pain cease. We rise of the free, we rise from the fight. We rise in the name of Jah, the eternal light. We rise, the truth in we veins. Together
Me see the lies, the system a try for blind our eyes. But we rise, me hear the call. Together we stand, we break the wall. Me feel the heat, me feel the flame. The truth a burn, it's call our name. In the heart of the people, a fire ignite. We rise again, we find the light. Babylon crumble, the system fall, but just people rise above it all. Me see the chains a break, the shackles gone. In Jah's name, we carry on. We rise above the lies. We open our eyes to the skies. In the name of Jah, we'll find a way. Together we rise, we seize the day. We rise above the lies. We know fear, we know disguise. In Jah's name, we'll break the chain. Together we rise, we feel no pain. Me see the light, me feel the strength. We go the distance, we go the length. No more silence, no more fear. The time is now, the truth is here. My system a try to divide the youth, but we stand as one, we speak the truth. Me see the struggle, me see the fight, but Jah's light a shine so bright. Me hear the rhythm of the earth, the sound. It call us higher, it bring us round. The heart of the people beat as one. We rise together, the battle is won. We rise above the lies. We open our eyes to the skies. In the name of Jah, we find a way. Together we rise, we seize the day. We rise above the lies. We know fear, we know disguise. In Jah's name, we break the chain. Together we rise, we feel no pain. Me feel the power in the people's voice. Together we stand, we make the choice. The time is now, the future clear. We stand in truth, we show no fear. Me see the fire in the people's eyes. We fight for justice, we rise to the skies. No more division, no more shame. We rise as one, we call the name. We rise above the lies. We open our eyes to the skies. In the name of Jah, we find a way. Together we rise, we seize the day. We rise above the lies. We know fear, we know disguise. In Jah's name, we break the chain. Together we rise, we feel no pain. So we rise, we see the dawn. In Jah's light, we
Zion land rose, Zion lost sacred flames. Rise up to sacred flames, we won't back down. Beneath the moon, me walk the earth. In Jah's name, me find me worth. Me hear the calling, the spirit awake. A fire ignites, no longer fake. Babylon's lies, they crumble and fall, but Jah's children rise, we stand tall. We hear the whispers of the ancient ones. Their wisdom guides, their light shines on. Through the valley, through the night, we rise again, we feel the light. From the shadows, me see the flame. A force of truth, we call Jah's name. Sacred flames, burning bright. We rise in peace, we rise in light. In the name of Jah, we find a way. Together we rise, together we pray. Sacred flames, we rise in power. Jah's light is shining, the finest hour. Together we stand, we take the crown. Rise up the sacred flames, we won't back down. The wind a blow, the rhythm a call. Together we rise, we break the wall. In the rhythm of the heart, we find the soul. No boundaries left, we take the whole. Me see the youth, me see the wise. Together we climb, we reach the skies. We hear the song of the land, the sea. A hymn of freedom, a sweet melody. In Jah's strength we take the lead. Every action, every word a seed. From the earth we rise as one. The battle is fought, the victory won. Sacred flames burning bright. We rise in peace, shine in the finest hour. Together we stand, we take the crown. Rise up the sacred flames, we won't back down. So we stand united strong. In the name of Jah we belong. Sacred flames burning true. Together we rise in light renewed. In Jah's name we walk the path. Together we rise, together we last. Sacred flames igniting the way. We rise together today and every day.
Zion roots in a the storm, me rise alone. Jah's light guide me, me find my throne. Me step through the darkness, me no afraid. Me know Jah's power will never fade. The winds are blow, but me stand tall. Me rise through the storm, me answer the call. Me see the world, me see the pain, but me know we'll rise, we'll break the chain. The truth I call. The time is near, we no longer hide, we no longer fear. We step forward, we step in grace. We rise together, we find the place. Rise through the storm, rise through the rain. Together we fight, together we break the chain. In the name of Jah, we find a way. We rise through the storm, we seize the day. Rise through the storm, rise through the night. In the light of Jah, we find the fight. Together we stand, together we see. Through the storm we set the people free. Mo feel the heat, mo feel the flame. Me know we rising, we'll make a name. The battle are hard, the path is steep, but we rise in unity, we no retreat. The chains are heavy, the system cold, but me see the youth, me see the bold. Me hear the rhythm, me hear the drum. We rise together, me see the sun. Me feel the power, me feel the sound. We rise as one, no looking down. Through every trial, through every test, we rise through the storm, we give our best.